The secret to a clean floor is not oftentimes the floor, but the corners. And for this, I like to use just a regular old dish brush that obviously you don't use for dishes anymore. And then I'm a huge fan of bleach, but you don't have to use bleach. You can use whatever natural product you want. Just add a little water, throw in your cleaning solution, and then just start scrubbing. The dirt and grime really likes to hide in the corners, especially, but any crack or crevice that doesn't normally get a whole ton of cleaning, just because it's hard to get to, hard to reach, that's the areas that really show the dirt a lot. So those areas you really want to focus on, and that's the areas that are going to have the most noticeable difference. You can see here, we're already seeing some major improvements just by cleaning the grime and the dirt out of the actual corners. And the nice thing about bleach is it makes everything smell a whole lot better when you're done. I like to go back after the fact and just wipe everything down with a paper towel just to kind of dry it off. You don't have to worry about water seeping into areas that it shouldn't be in. There we go, we got the before picture. See a lot of crud in the corners. And then afterwards, obviously there's a huge difference. Same thing here, especially hard to reach areas. Those are the areas you're gonna really notice a lot of dirt accumulation just because it's small, not many people like crawling in there, it's just difficult to get to. And you can see the before and the after, quite a difference there. I hope this video has been instructional and helpful to y'all. So happy cleaning!